All right, welcome back to our series here on the first 3 steps for any business to set up your Google My Business account. First step, we covered getting verified. Second step, we covered populating your info. And now third, we are talking about reviews. It is very easy for any business to populate this information, claim to be doing something. It is extremely challenging for a business to get online reviews. So, how do you get more reviews? You remove all the friction possible. Let me show you how to do that right quick. This is part of a series, and you can get all of the resources referenced here at creatingvaluellc.com/quick. That is creatingvaluellc.com/quick. We'll get you set up with these critical steps and then show you how to optimize from there on. All right. So you now have a GMB account. You may or may not have verified yet with your postcard. You could be still waiting on it. And then now you've come in here and you've populated your name, address, phone, your hours of operation, your phone number, your website, all the goodness that Google wants to see with a real business. We now need to create an easy way to get reviews. So if you're in this info on the left-hand side here, info, then there is something called a short code. Profile short name. Populate this profile short name. Once you do that and you come back to the home tab inside your Google My Business profile, Google makes this super easy review link for you. It used to be mean and nasty and ugly to get people a URL they could click through to leave your review. Now they're making it a little bit easier. Copy this, and then what you want to do is, if you take a look here, if you like, after you finish viewing this, go immediately to creatingvaluellc.com/quick. Down here, after you put your email in and sign up for these emails, you'll see I have an image and I have the review link right here. What this does is this allows people to click this and takes them directly to leaving you a review. So you can funnel people, make this image easily findable on your website, text people this URL anyway, put it into your emails, put it in your signature, have it anywhere and everywhere. So when you're delivering quality product or service, it makes it super easy to get that review. All right, once again, this is a series, the 3 first critical steps for every business to do on their Google My Business account. Pop over here to creatingvaluellc.com. Drop your email in, leave me a 5-star review. Let me know exactly what you want to hear more of, what you got out of this video, and I'll continue to create this content. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.